Want to use Tawk.to for customer support? Tawk.to helps you communicate with website visitors in real time, manage support tickets, monitor conversations, and provide fast customer service from a single dashboard. In this guide, I'll show you how to use Tawk.to for customer support step by step in 2026. Let's get started. First, sign into your Tawk.to account and select the property you want to manage. If you're new to Tawk.to, create a property for your website and install the live chat widget before assisting customers. Next, invite your team members and assign the appropriate roles, such as agent or admin. Set your online status, business hours, and notification preferences so your team is ready to respond when visitors start a conversation. When a visitor sends a message, you'll receive a notification in the dashboard. Open the conversation, reply to the customer, share helpful information, and use shortcuts or saved responses to answer common questions more efficiently. If an issue can't be resolved immediately, create or manage a support ticket to track the request. You can also review previous conversations, visitor details, and notes to provide more consistent customer support. Finally, review your chat history, reports, and team activity to identify trends and improve response times. You can also update your knowledge base to help customers find answers to common questions on their own. Regularly reviewing your support workflow helps you deliver a better customer experience, and that's how to use Tawk.to for customer support. By managing live chats, support tickets, and your team from one dashboard, you can provide faster and more organized assistance to your website visitors. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.